Today we will look what is simple fraction and some of its type. So simple fraction is a fraction. Fraction means any number that has numerator and denominator. And in case of proper fraction, it will be numerator is less than denominator. For example, say 3 upon 5. Here numerator is 3, which is smaller, and denominator, which is 5, is bigger. Simple fraction is a fraction whose base is other than powers of 10. Here it is 5, which is not 10 or 100 or 1000. Because if it is power of 10, it will become decimal fraction. So this is simple fraction, and in simple also it is of the type proper. What is improper? Improper is the opposite of proper. So 5 upon 3, where numerator is greater than denominator, it is improper fraction. Then what is compound fraction? So in case of compound fraction, numerator or denominator or both are in the form of fraction. So denominator here is in the form of fraction, or numerator is in the form of fraction, or both are in the form of fraction. What is inverse? How to do inverse of a fraction? If 3 upon 5 is a fraction, its inverse will be 5 upon 3, where you change the position of numerator and denominator. So 5 here is denominator becomes numerator, and 3 as a numerator becomes denominator. What is mixed fraction? So mixed fraction is a fraction, is a combination of integer along with the fraction. So this is integer, that is 1, and the fraction, which is 1 upon 2. So 1 into 1 upon 2 is mixed fraction. What is continuous fraction? In case of continuous fraction, the denominator is always in the form of fractions, like such type of fraction is continuous fraction.